Hi student, how are you? After a long gap, isn't that it? So, I want to meet you. The reason is that tomorrow exam is there. So, I want to give some brief account of some origin of life. So, origin of life has many theories. One of it is that theory of special creation, and another is theory of abiogenesis, and theory of biogenesis, and theory of panspermia, and theory of chemical evolution or chemogeny. But out of all theories, chemogeny or chemical evolution told by A.I. Oparin and Haldane is accepted because it is scientific. But other theories like theory of special creation and the theory of abiogenesis and theory of biogenesis and the theory of panspermia or cosmozoic theory is refuted because it is not scientific. So regarding the refuted theories, you know, first theory of special creation tells about that all of a sudden all living beings are created by God. It is written in all mythological scriptures in Bible, Quran and Gita, Mahabharata, everything. But since it is not scientific, that's why it is refuted. And other theory is theory of abiogenesis. Abiogenesis means it tells that all living beings are created from the non-living, like mud, rock, everything. Since it is not scientific, it is refuted. And another theory is the biogenesis. It tells that living beings are created from the other living beings. That is some extent correct. But how these living beings are created, it is not told in the theory of biogenesis. That's why it is the basis of the, it is some scientific reason for that. That's why it is some extent it is accepted. But another theory is that theory of panspermia. This panspermia or cosmozoic theory, it tells about the all lives beings are distributed in the planet, in the cosmos, in a small spore form, and that they go to the all planets, and there they get chances to develop. And where these cosmozoic spores are getting chance to develop, they developed. Example is the Earth. But how this cosmozoic or this living forms, living spore is not, how these living spores are formed, it have no scientific evidence. That's why it is refuted. But the other theory, that is chemical evolution of life or chemogeny, it has some scientific basis. That's why it is accepted. And what tells in this chemical evolution? This chemical evolution says that out of black hole, out of black hole, the whole cosmos, whole universe is formed. That means it tells that there was nothing at that time, only some black hole, like something is there, and there the big bang occurs, and the energy is formed. All type of energies are formed, and these energies are expanded, and out of these energies, atoms, molecules are formed, and out of atom and molecules, the various stars, galaxies are formed, and out of that, Earth is formed. And out of this Earth, this hot Earth, it becomes cooled down, and slowly after cooling down, the water is formed in the Earth, and out of the water and soil, due to this interaction, the different molecules, gases are formed. Small gases, small molecules like methane, ammonia, hydrogen, water, and by their mixing, small macromolecules like big inorganic molecules are formed, and these organic out of that the organic molecules are formed. And that this theory was told by Oparin and Haldane, and this theory was experimented by Miller and Urey. That is called Miller's experiment. And I have sent a photograph of Miller's Urey experiment. You can see it, and how he has taken methane, ammonia, water, H2O, and he heated it, and out of that, after cooling it, he formed different organic molecules, and proved that out of these small inorganic molecules, the organic molecules like pyrimidine, purine, protein, amino acids are formed, which are the precursors of the living molecules, DNA and RNA. That's why these hot molecules of organic acids are called prebiotic soup or hot soup. It is the precursors of the DNA molecule. Out of this, life has originated. Since it is experimented by Millers and Urey, that's why it is accepted. And out of this DNA, virus, prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, multicellular eukaryotics, and different animals are produced. So after chemogeny, biogeny starts. Generation of the biological organism starts. And I have given the link and notes. You read. If any doubt, you ask. Okay? Thank you.